Oh, that's a good one. Oh, it even got that one.
Oh,
Another one. It's on a roll.
It has a run.
Home run. Oh, that sun is coming in though. It's every time now.
Yeah.
Something changed. And that's the problem with these methods. It's mysterious why it works.
It's like you look at this and you're like, yeah, it's perfect.
Come back 1 minute later, it's failing every time. It's just picking in the slightly wrong place. Come on, you got this. Oh yes! Put it in, put it in. Yes. It actually learned. And now is it gonna stop? Yeah, like it knows the task is over.
Yeah.
Yeah.